little too fast, starting to forget the dream that sung me here. I get out of bed looking for a paper trail of reflections that remind me of who I am. There will be a voice behind you saying this is the way. Don't look to the right, don't look to the left. You may hear 1,000 voices calling you another way, but you will know that heavenly sound calling your name.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I am Shirley with Holistic Transformations, also known as Jolly with Jolly's Healing Touch. Here today with another unboxing. So I ordered some beautiful jewelry from my friend Naima Shalhoub, who is an artist, a musician, and also does jewelry. So I ordered I just made an order and received it. So I made this order a couple days ago, sometime this week, and received it in the mail today, swiftly. So she put a little heart on my address. I don't know if you can see that. Super cute. So I'm really receiving this with a lot of love, and I'm so excited to share this with you. Okay, so let's get started. This is really well packaged. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. She sent me a little crystal with a little love note. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll show it to you. I'll take it out and show it to you. So I got the crystal and my little package. Make sure there's nothing else in here. Okay, I got my little package, and look at how nice this box is. So let me read it. Naima Shalhoub is an artist. She works in social justice. She's a musician, and she makes awesome jewelry. So she just released her CD. So let's just see what's in this package. Let's look at it. Let's open it together. So take this out. Really cute. Very environmentally conscious. Good girl, my Naima. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Oh, and then I get a code for my CD. And then I get a code for her new release CD with the jewelry that I ordered and bought. So that's really awesome. I heard some of the songs off of it, some of the new releases, and absolutely beautiful. She's done an amazing job. So check it out. You will love it. You will love it. So so you get a little download with your order. So this is really well nicely packaged. And I love her little card with a little information on it. How cute is that? And we're about to open my necklace. I'm in love. So she sent me citrine. I think she said it was orange citrine. And I'll just kind of... And I wanted something like... I think I said I wanted something not too long and not too short. And she suggested like 11 inches. And I already see this is perfect. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Look how beautiful this is, and really well put on here. Can you see? It's so beautiful. It's lovely. I love it. This is really lovely. This is really lovely. So here we are up close with how this necklace looks and the beautiful citrine. I think you can see it now. Really lovely. Really lovely. And it has the long necklace that goes with it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's see if I can show you the other side. Beautiful piece. Absolutely love it. I got my laptop case to show you. Don't judge me. Here's, isn't it beautiful? You see it now. It really stands out. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is really lovely. Thank you so much. Oh, 11 inches, and let me put it on. And look, see, the clasp is really secure and really well put on there. I love it already. Here we go. Perfect. Right over my heart chakra. Exactly what I wanted. Perfect. I love it. I absolutely love my new necklace. It's really beautiful. The circle, the representation of the crescent moon, and the citrine crystal. The citrine crystal is really good for all of your chakras. It helps balance all the different chakras of your body, and I really like carrying it over my heart chakra. She makes them short, so I've seen her make them really short, and you can also have them really long. So you can make your request on what length of necklace you'd like, to have it maybe hovering over your solar plexus or over your throat. So it just depends on what you need. Over the heart is exactly what I envisioned, and she gave me exactly that. So thank you, Naima. Thank you for this beautiful piece. So I will put all the information below in the description box, just so you know where you can order yours and get yours, and more information about Naima and what she does. If you are interested in learning more about Naima's music and her social justice work, please comment below. I want to know more about Naima, and maybe we can get her on here in one of our videos to talk about more of her projects. Naima, I love this necklace. You have really made my day. I can feel the love that you put into this, and I cannot wait to hear the rest of your album. Thank you for including that as part of the purchase. And finally, last but not least, I want to open my little extra gift that she sent me. Now look, y'all might not get a little extra gift because that's my girl, so don't expect an extra gift like I got, but I am going to show it to you. Oh, it's citrine. It's like yellow citrine. Let's get that case back here so I can show you what that citrine looks like. Can you see it? Can you see the yellows? Oh, probably not. Let's try something else. Let's try something else. Maybe this? A little better? I don't know. Oh man, can you see the yellows here? Beautiful. Thank you so much. Naima, I love this, and it feels really good. It feels really, really good. So it feels really good. So thank you so much. You can see the yellows. Well, not anymore, but the yellows in here, it's absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you for this. And I got a little note with it. Love, Naima. Oh. Enjoy the necklace and music. You are adored and adorned. Love, Naima. An added little present from my mandala sister. Thank you so much for your support, dearest Shirley. Love. A little love message from my dear friend Naima. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you on this quick video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Remember to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we release a video. Also, everything you see here, including my candle by Candles by You and my bracelet by Alicia Dion, will be included in the description box below, including information on more how you can get your own beautiful necklace. Our videos are all about healthy living, community, and wellness. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.
أنا أعمل شيئا جديدا وأصنع في البرية طريقا. أنا أعمل شيئا جديدا وأصنع في البرية طريقا. وفي الصحراء وفي الصحراء وفي الصحراء أنا عامل شيئا جديدا وأصنع في البرية طريقا وفي الصحراء وفي الصحراء وفي الصحراء النهارين. أنا عامل شيئا جديدا وأصنع